Hi there. We're back in beautiful Boulder Junction, Wisconsin, to complete a cabin that we did structural work on this summer because the crawl space was not vented and the floor was rotted out, completely rotted out in half the building. We replaced that, and now we're back here to take out the rest of the paneling so it can be rewired properly and put in the walls that we took out and get ready for the sheetrock. Let's take a look at what the guys are doing in here. Making a lot of noise, that's for sure. This wall in the bathroom behind me is the only wall in the whole cabin that was insulated. And from up here you can see there's a little bit of insulation in the ceiling, but not much. My goal is to leave this suspended ceiling tile up along with all of the insulation that's up there and put new sheetrock over it using longer screws. So I hope that works out because it'll save us a lot of time. We're back in Boulder Junction, Wisconsin, working on a cabin that we started last summer, and we replaced the floor in half the cabin because the crawl space wasn't vented and it was rotted out from the inside out. So we went in and insulated the foundation, put down a vapor barrier, put in a ventilation system with a fan and a humidistat, and took care of the source for the problem. And now we're fixing the damages that it caused. And the cabin wasn't insulated at all. You can see this one wall behind me has got some insulation in it. That's the only wall that has insulation. And our ceiling up above us has got ceiling tile in it with a little bit of insulation up there, but not much. But my goal is to leave all the ceiling tile up there and just put new sheetrock on it with longer screws. So that'll save us a lot of time. And we'll just keep whatever insulation is up there, and avoid a big mess down here. So we'll see how that goes.